Hi everyone, my name is Christine. I am Taiwanese American and I've never cooked Taiwanese beef noodle soup before. I do not cook often, and when I do, I definitely don't do it alone. So let's learn this together.
Hi, I'm Taiwanese American and I've never made a Taiwanese dish before.
I've washed my hands already and I've already pre-chopped and pre-measured most of the ingredients like the recipe asked. So I just need to fill this pot up with some water. So let me go do that. Okay, cool. So I filled this up with water and we have to add the beef shank. Wash your hands. Okay, 5 pieces of ginger, half of the scallions. I might have added way too much water, but you know, it's okay. I originally wanted to use my mom's recipe, but she's been in Taiwan for the past few months and she doesn't have it written down anywhere. So this is a tasty recipe, but it is made by another Taiwanese mom, and Taiwanese moms know best, so I'm pretty sure this is just as good. My mom growing up didn't make it too often, and maybe that's why I have such fond memories of it. I'd walk into the kitchen and I'd be like, "Oh, Ma, 你在做什么?" And then she'd be like, "Oh, 今天晚上吃牛肉面." And then I'd like run to my sister and I'd be like, "Mom's making 牛肉面." And then she'd get excited. So it was a whole thing. It's been 5 minutes since that has been boiling, so we can bring it over here. Hot. This is filled with cold water, and so we are going to pick it up. This?
Yeah, 把它插下去，然后夹起来。
And then we are going to slice the meat. Wow. Do not do this to your rice, guys. This is bad luck. Okay, this is just about heated up, so we'll start transferring the contents from this pan into the pot. No, I'll try it. Xian, 辣. Let it sit for at least 2 hours. Okay, so I finished chopping up the toppings and they're on standby over there. And so I'm gonna cook the noodles now. Okay, and here is the final dish. The moment of truth, guys.
Mm, 好吃。
真的吗？
好吃。
好吃。Okay.
你应该照相给妈妈看。
Yeah? Thank you for cooking and celebrating APAM with me. Feel free to try making this at home, and if you do, please share your photos with us. Now please stay safe and we'll see you soon. Bye!
What's up? My name is Kanou, and today I'm making karaage fried chicken, which is a Japanese dish. It's something I've never made before, actually. And so for me, I'm super stoked to try this out because it's my first Japanese dish.
Hi, I'm Japanese American, and I've never made a Japanese dish before.
So fun fact, I was adopted, and so I was born in Tokyo, but I never got to learn anything about Japanese culture and everything. So I found this cool karaage fried chicken recipe on Tasty. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure you guys go over to Tasty. You guys can find the recipe on there. It's really easy, and we got all the ingredients right over here. So I'm gonna start with my pound of chicken. So the next step is we're gonna get this chicken marinated and get all the seasonings on top of it. we got the chicken here. It's all marinated. Look how juicy that looks. So the next process is mixing. So let's get to mixing, right? The next thing that we're gonna need, guys, is you wanna make sure that you have your oil on the heat as well during all this. You wanna make sure your oil is at a 340-degree temperature. So make sure you test your oil and you guys have it set up right. And then we're gonna get to frying here in a second. So you always wanna be careful whenever you're frying chicken or frying anything for that matter. You don't wanna just drop it into the oil because the oil's hot and it'll definitely burn. 1, and 2, you always wanna test your oil beforehand. So we got a tester piece of chicken here. And we got it in there and it looks like it's floating. So let's get a couple more pieces in so we get them frying. You want to leave these in here until the outsides are golden brown and you see them floating up, because then you know they're good to go, just like this one right here. Alright guys, so now we're at my favorite part of all of this, where we finally get to try the chicken. Alright, let's go for it. Whoa! That's insane! This is so good. The chicken is so moist still, but the outside is so crunchy. What? And those flavors are so good. We gotta go for 2. We gotta go for 2. It's such an easy recipe to make, and like I said, you can find it on Tasty. Just go to the website. And if you guys make this recipe, make sure you guys post it. You guys tag us at BuzzFeed Tasty. Thank you for celebrating Asian Pacific American Heritage Month with me. I'll see you guys next time.
Hi, my name is Breana. I'm half black and half Filipino, and today we'll be cooking leche plan, which is a Filipino dessert. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Filipino American and I've never made a Filipino dish before.
To start off the caramel, we will bring this pan to a medium-low heat, and from there, we will add in half a cup of sugar. I've lowered down the heat a bit, and our caramel is now a beautiful, like, light brown color. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. Now that we've made the caramel, and put it inside of the pan, we're gonna set it down to cool for about 5 minutes while we make the custard. We're at the other side of my kitchen now. We are going to start on the custard, and I have to separate the yolks from the egg whites. Let's do that now. This egg is boiled. We have now learned that my mom boiled some eggs, so now we will make the custard. Hopefully not have boiled eggs. One for the chef. Our caramel is pretty much cold. So pretty. Love her. I'm gonna go grab the custard and pour her into the loaf pan. The reason why cooking this dish and a lot of Filipino dishes in general are really important to me is because growing up, I didn't speak Tagalog or my mom's dialect, which is Kampangan, and so my only form of connection was through food. And that's also just like how Filipinos in general show their love, it's like through cooking. We're finally cooking our flan out the oven. We can finally check if she is set. I shake the pan. She doesn't wobble, which is good. She's set. I'll take the small.
You're small or my small? Is this small?
That's good.
Okay.
You're just gonna stare at me.
Oh, that's good. Oh, it's nice and firm.
Yeah.
If you do cook this dish at home, please be sure to tag BuzzFeed Tasty on Instagram. And we hope you guys stay safe and see you soon. I'm gonna take the blonde now.
Oh, yes!